All right, I'm going to show you how to use Flipgrid, a program that we're going to use in class. So first off, you're going to see this show up on your Google Classroom. It's going to look like this. We're going to go ahead and click on Flipgrid, and you're going to sign in. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you about signing in with your Google account. So I'm going to be able to skip past that because I've already logged in. Here we go. It's going to look like this in a 2-minute response. I think I'm going to change this to 3 minutes because after doing it, you really need a little bit more time than that. We're going to start with your name. You're going to create a video response kind of showing us your car's features, and then we're going to have them posted and make some comments on what we think the car is going to do. So first off, we're going to describe the car, what it's modeled after, what kind it is. We're going to describe its safety features. We're going to show the seat and describe any special features. And then finally, we're going to talk to you about how and why we think the egg's going to survive. So when you kind of have the questions ready and you have your car all done, you're going to click on the response to record a response. You're going to get a screen that looks like this, and you open up your camera on the front. You're going to have to allow your computer to use the camera. We're going to go ahead and hit record. And we're going to be like this. We're going to say, hi, my name is Mr. Stahl, and I'm going to show you a little bit about my car. So here's a picture of my car. You can kind of see it here. I created my car and modeled it after the new Ford Bronco. And so I like the color orange, and so I used orange duct tape. I thought that looked pretty cool for the outside. Some of the special features of my car are the bumper, which is made from foam. You can see that it has a brush guard across the top, along with some fog lights on the bottom. It also has a windshield made out of some clear plastic that I found. I also made a roof rack on top, and the roof rack has some KC lights on it, along with some wood and other tarps and things that I put on there. It also has a really cool spare tire on the back, like the new Broncos, along with some lights and the license plate. The egg goes inside the seat. The seat is up here. When I open this up here, you notice that I have foam on the top. I use the foam to help push the egg down into the seat. It's connected with a rubber band. And then inside, you can see the seat is made from an egg carton surrounded by foam. The steering wheel is made from cardboard and a straw. And then underneath it, I have kind of a safety cage filled with cotton balls and foam, and then foam and cotton balls all the way around the seat. We put the egg inside, strap it in, and then push this down on top, kind of pushing it down into the seat, and then I put a little piece of tape across the back to keep it in there. I really think my egg's going to survive because of all the special padding that I put in the front. I have a special, not only the bumper, but the front crush space here in the front, along with keeping it secure into the seat. I think it's going to do pretty well. I hope you like it as well, and we're going to comment below. So thank you so much. And then after you get your video all done, you can see that I did that. And I'm going to go ahead and hit next over here. And it's going to allow me to edit it. I can trim it. And we're going to be like this. We're going to say, hi, my name is Mr. Stahl. And then you'll do all that. And then we'll hit next again once you have it edited. And you'll put your name here. And then you're going to take your selfie there, which you're all set. It's kind of a weird picture. And then you can upload another picture if you want. But you should have a selfie of yourself in there. You can change the frame if you want. And then we're going to hit submit. It's going to upload it and send it to me, which is exactly where it needs to be. And then we'll be able to directly link to this through this Flipgrid, or we can click on the clear QR code and add text comments also. So we'll show you how to do that later. But when we're all done, we'll hit complete, and it will be done. And so that's how we're going to do that. Every one of you will be responsible for a small 2 to 3 minute video response about your car, and we'll be placing it in Flipgrid so we can make comments, which we'll talk about later. There we go.